Bato. Over the last few days ay nakakabahala yung reports ng nakawan ng motor at pagpatay ng may-ari ng mga motor, lalo-lalo na sa first district ng North Cotabato and every now and then in other parts of the province. This is a problem that must be addressed and confronted. And as a candidate for governor, I would like to pledge to the people of North Cotabato that, God willing, if I should win these elections, I will address this. I would like you to remember na noong ako ang inyong gobernador, meron tayong mga motorcycle riding policemen, riding in tandem. At ang tawag natin ay Cotabato Highway Patrol. Binilang ko ng motor yung mga were able to reduce the number of crimes because of that. Kung pala rin po't makabalik ako, this is one project that I will revive immediately. The provincial government, using available funds, will procure powerful motorcycles and train policemen to handle these motorcycles. And we will revive the Cotabato Highway Patrol. Mula Pigkawayan hanggang dulo ng Makilala, there will be constant motorcycles patrolling the highways and even the interiors. And they will be able to respond right away to any calls for assistance. The theft of motorcycles and the killing of our people will stop, should stop, and it must be stopped. And that is my commitment to the people of North Cotabato.